celebrate ka, beautiful ka nung time na yun. But now, at 30, you are gorgeous. And so proud sa kung ano man yung milestones na narating mo ngayon. And I pray, hindi ako magwi-wish. Kasi ang wish, pwedeng matupad, pwedeng hindi. Pero, pag pinanalangin natin, God will give you it. I pray that God blesses you with good health. Kasi, health is wealth. Diba? So, lagi kang maging malusog. And secondly, I wish that, I pray that God blesses you ng success pa sa lahat ng plans na gagawin mo sa buhay. And you are prettier and gorgeous each year na dumaan pa sa buhay mo. I love you and God bless you.
Thank you so much, Madam. Next, we have Carol Perez.